Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of criminal analysis, focusing specifically on creating powerful link charts. Whether you're a seasoned analyst or a newcomer wanting to sharpen your skills, understanding the fundamentals of link charts is crucial. So, let's get started. Link charts are visual representations of relationships among different individuals, events, or objects. These charts help criminal analysts piece together clues, unravel complex investigations, and identify critical connections that might not be obvious at first glance. To create a great link chart, start by gathering reliable data. Data can come from various sources, like police reports, witness statements, social media, or public records. Ensure the information is accurate and up-to-date, as this forms the foundation of your link chart. Once you've gathered your data, identify the key entities and relationships. Entities could include people, locations, or items, while relationships are the connections between them, such as communications, transactions, or shared addresses. Visualize this information with nodes representing entities and lines indicating relationships. Next, focus on clarity and simplicity. Too much detail can overwhelm and obscure essential insights. Use concise labels and maintain a consistent style for nodes and links. Choose colors strategically to highlight specific entities or types of relationships. This helps in quickly distinguishing different elements on your chart. Highlight patterns and anomalies. Spotting trends and irregularities might reveal significant leads, identify potential suspects, or highlight areas needing further investigation. This can be achieved through careful analysis of the chart, looking for clusters or isolated nodes that stand out. Collaborate with your peers. Sharing insights and interpretations with other analysts can provide fresh perspectives and validate your findings. Group brainstorming can uncover hidden connections and new areas to explore, making your link charts even more effective. By focusing on data accuracy, simplicity, and collaboration, you can create link charts that are not only insightful, but also instrumental in solving criminal cases. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on criminal analysis.